Hello everyone. Today we will create AI chatbot using Gemini. Let's create it. Open web browser and search for Gemini and open it. After open, write a prompt. Write a prompt like this and click on submit button. It takes some time to give HTML code. I want to use API key to make it working. I use OpenRouter API key of Gemini Flash 2.0 model. It's give HTML code. Let's copy from here and open new tab. Search for InfinityFree. It is a free web hosting platform that give unlimited free hosting and give also free subdomain. Click on register now and here you want to create account. I created before, then I click on add domain. Click on add subdomain because it is free and give your domain name as you want and select domain as you want and click on add domain. It takes some time to redirect dashboard page. Once you redirect, if you see this button, click on this. If you not see, directly click on file manager. Click on new file button and write. Click on create an edit button, then editor will open. Paste code over here and click on save and close button. Open new tab and search for OpenRouter. It is a free LLM model provider. Open it and sign in here. After signing, search for Gemini Flash 2.0 and click it and click on API and click on create API key. Click on new key and give name as you want. Click on create button and copy key from here and open file again and find for API holder. Here is API holder. Copy API key and paste it here. Paste API key over here instead of default API key. and click on Save button. Open new tab and search for your domain. Here is site we created. Your AI chatbot are looking very attractive, and let's check it out. It is working or not. It is working. We can change everything, some code like this Gemini text and this image, and also change favicon icon. Let's show how to change favicon icon. Go on Gemini and write prompt like this. Copy this line, copy this line, go on File Manager and paste below the title after script, and click on Save and Close button, and then upload image file on here. Choose file of your image and upload file. Remember this file name because you want to enter this file name instead of default file name. Remove this and enter your file name with the extension. Click on Save button and go on File again and refresh it. Here see, the favicon will appear. We can also change this image. Go on File Manager and find logo section below the text. Remove this line and use Image tab to insert image on here. Enter your file name here and click on Save button. Then go on your site and refresh it. Yes, see, the image will appear here. You can change the background of it. Go on File Manager and change this indigo to red and click on Save button. Go on site again and refresh it. Here you go. background will change. If you want to know how to make anything from AI, subscribe me and like, and also comment what we make next using AI. Thank you.